Ukuzithanda kubalulekile, ukuzihlonipha khona kujulile, kodwa ungakhohlwa ukuthi ungumuntu uyaphazama, kodwa kumele uzixolele. Self-forgiveness is not an overnight victory. Acknowledge your bad choices and choose to forge ahead. It won't be easy, so is dwelling on amaphutha kuzokulimaza. Thatha izikhathi uzibuke ezibukeni, ukuba khona kwakholana kulona iphutha. Wonile wavuma, forgive yourself. Sivumele uqale kabusha. Self-forgiveness is not an overnight victory. Acknowledge your bad choices and choose to forge ahead. It won't be easy, so it's dwelling on amaphutha kuzokulimaza. Dwelling on the past will never do you good. You are not your mistakes, but they shape how you make decisions going forward. Forgive yourself. Zixolele, zithande, uziphe isineke. Self-forgiveness is not an overnight victory. Acknowledge your bad choices and choose to forge ahead. It won't be easy, so it's dwelling on amaphutha kuzokulimaza. Ungazehluleli. Try to be compassionate and find a way back to your old self. Forgive yourself, Bhoza. Zixolele, zithande, uziphe isineke. Self-forgiveness is not an overnight victory. Acknowledge your bad choices and choose to forge ahead. So it's dwelling on amaphutha kuzokulimaza. Ungapheki emuva, umdala naye yazi ungowakhe.